Hello everyone.
And welcome to a new episode. Today we'll start learning consonants. And here is the first one. It looks like a small C that continues into a stroke on the bottom. And it's called Hamzah. 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 To pronounce it, try saying Adam, Adam. And pay attention to the catch in your throat as you pronounce the first letter. Adam, Adam, This consonant comes in many forms, but its sound remains always the same. A. It may come accompanied by one of our three long vowels. And it may even come beneath A or looks like this. Or even comes without a seed at all, like this. Whatever shape you find, it's merely a seed for Hamzah. So, its sound is always A. Please focus on the shape and repeat after me. A.